Hi there, this is Farmer Britt. Just wanted to walk you through how to place an order of our beef or lamb on the website. So I'm going to be using the beef shop today for this demonstration, but you can do the same thing with our lamb. So the first thing you'll be able to do is if you're looking, for example, if you want steaks or in the case of lamb chops, all of the different items are listed here. So you can search for different items like our beef boxes, which are bulk boxes, individual cuts for both our Hereford cattle as well as our Highland cattle, organ meat, steaks. Any of these items can be easily searched. Otherwise, you can scroll and you'll see the entire list of our items as well. So you can do that. I'm going to show you, so if you hit steaks here, it'll take you to all of our available steaks. So you can simply click on the item you want. Here in the quantity toolbar, if you want to change your quantity here, you can do that pretty simply if I wanted 2 tenderloins. And then I would add it to my cart. Now, by clicking the back button on my browser, I can go back to continue shopping. When I'm all done shopping, I'll scroll up to the very top and you'll see this cart icon. You can click on that. So I had previously selected Kansas City steaks, and then I added the Highland tenderloin steaks as well. So I'll see my quantity here, my total here, and then I go to checkout. Once you're in the checkout section of your order, you'll just fill out 1 through 5. So it'll be a simple billing address, shipping address, and your payment. So that will complete your order. So overall, pretty easy to select all of our meats. And you can do this on, like I said, either the beef or the lamb side. So thank you so much and happy shopping.